I thought it was a 37.
You were wrong then. I bet they're on it.
It's the green one.
That's why I stopped.
Hang on, now it says full battery. That's really weird.
Does it say full battery?
Yeah, it just said it's died, now it says full battery.
How does that work?
I don't know.
Stop here. My camera's dead anyway. Yeah, the last tank.
Right, well, sorry about that.
That's alright.
There's a slide on me again. What?
No? No one's turning me. Yeah. Yeah, it's on the phone. look away. Look away. Bring the camera.
What did he say?
What was that about?
Dead, I heard him say.
What did he say?
The camera wasn't in the room. I cut the camera off before the carriage were in.
That's why. You know, when the train came in, that's why I stopped my filming before the carriage went past. That's what I did. I stopped it.
Not only that,
What?
why I moved anyway. The carriage. At no time with the carriage. Not only that, at no time with the carriage that they were in, they were visible in my frame anyway. So, because I saw them, and as soon as the loco came past me,
Yeah.
I turned and panned away, and where I was, the carriage didn't come far forward.
Good news is, right, they'll be at Tonnes and we'll be on that one, but no, back faster. We'll be on that one, going back to Tonnes game off. We'll be in town before they even come back down here.
Yeah. How many stations are there? 3?
Yeah, only that.
Do you know what? When the train went past, I would have gone ha ha like that. That's what I would have done. I would have gone ha ha like that, and they wouldn't be able to do anything.
Obviously, don't like that. No.
Thank God.
Who is that girl in the middle with the...
That is Dan McCann's fiance, the fat one.
Joanne Stan.
Yeah, she's a bit fat. Fat one.
No, he's
a bit.
He's
He's a bit
well,
stupid.
no, and he's not stupid. He's
full of himself.
himself, and he's been.
That's a cloud.
I think he's got. I don't know, but I think he's got history of violence. I think he's got form for violence. I don't know for sure. Don't quote me on that.
If you got arrested by the police, I'd be like him sort of laughing. But
What's his name? What was that guy's name? Shelton?
that was George Webb. That was your sheep. Thank goodness for that.
Oh, I thought they were.
That's not a bad one.
I didn't bother it in the light. I just filmed it.
You know, when my battery's went dead, I turned my camera off and turned it on again. It was fine.
Sometimes it will do.
Sometimes it will do that. I'm just going to get a photo. I'm not going to film it because I can film it on this anyway before it leaves. Anyway, can't I?
Yeah.
Go on ahead.
We're getting on this one.
Yeah, back to Tonnes. We can then, if you want, we can film it leaving.
I think it's a 37.
It is 37.
It is below 37.
The 25.
They are coming out the loop now, so they're coming through the loop points now. You can hear it. That's grating sound. It's grinding to the point.
It's really long. Everyone gets in your way, don't they? Try and get the best one if you can. Right one. Do you know what, if I was right at the end there, those people at the end, I would have actually got a really good one. Roll the sound back, right back. That's not a bad one. Dead. Batteries have died.
Boys,
Let's get in. I didn't get the best one, but I did get it. My batteries are dead, so I've got loads of photos of this anyway, so I can film it. Do you remember that?
Yes, your whole railway is
Jeff, there's also no lights on the train.
Jeffrey told us there's loads of beer and cider, and then it turned out it
Can we go straight down?
Come on, boys.
Sorry. What?
and bought onion soup.
I'm going to grab this window.
I'll grab the window.
Where did they go? Who?
have a look, Joseph. Have a little look out there. Come on.
The left crossing up here. Should we find a seat?
Put the lights on in this carriage, don't put the one on that carriage. They where they got the lights.
Give it in, boys. Give it in.
It's dark out here, isn't it?
Got no lights. Got no lights. Don't know what gang on this one.
Thank goodness I wasn't with them though. I was down with Carol, big Carol.
Down with Karen, you want to give Rory one birth. You want to keep well away from him. He is bad news, serious bad news. He's only jumping.
Is it what you scored? Rushing the target place you've ever seen? Shut your eyes. No, after that, shut your eyes.
Where's the window that's you were at just now? Down that way?
From there, boys.
Which way? That way?
Yeah.
Oh. Shall I grab the one down there? Further down?
Yeah.
Or shall I grab that one? You want to get the one further down?
Is there someone there then?
It's a little hall station. A hall, yeah.
Oh, no, I'm doing that.
Hold on. Say my back is Right, try again. What? Come on, blurry. There. Oh, do you want to take that window? Thank you, boys. Look, it came out all blurry. Look. Put my light on, my camera, this camera, put that on, flash on. Is it a good idea? I've got loads of practice already, so we just get loads of videos. You want the wrong side there, the station's that side? You want to be on that side, don't you? We're on behind it, that's why you want to go that side.
Are we almost there?
I'll be there in a minute.
Mine's going to look cool.
I can't even see you. Who are you again?
You started. Is it you?
No, he fired again.
You started again. 37.
Ben just...
It was a 37 that fired.
Ben just said that someone just fired I'm all out now.
You alright?
The door's open, Jesus Christ! Oh, the door's open! Falling apart!
1, 2, 3, 4.
How's the right side? We're going to go that side because the door that side, isn't it? Where? Yeah, just there. What those people over there will do. Might save them too, might save them. Might switch. I think I need to get it.
Can I down here?
Can I take your seat?
Hey?
The window. Where do you not stand on that? You're gonna... Do you know what you said? You walk past and walk away, the door's open. I'm going to grab that window there. Is that it? Pull this up a bit. Is it? It's the right height.
Have a quick look. There's that way, buddy. Yeah. Have a quick look.
It's a bit further up, looking at me.
Hey?
There was staring at me. Do you know what they're called? P-way trucks.
Were they?
Yep. Dartmouth and Torquay.
Pulling in halfway into the second now, yeah.
They're probably quite fast, you know. Thank goodness we're not there. I'd hate. How the heck are they going to get home?
I-15 bubble car. The bubble car comes out at 4:05.
We'll be long gone before they do. You don't want to go to McDonald's, do you? There's a town, it's town.
Can do.
Let's go. Oh, do you know the best place to get it? Down by the footpath and down here. Go on the
Well,
bank.
we get to that bridge. Is there any way we can get to that bridge?
Right, no time. Go up here. Be careful, Mike, because it's slippery. How the heck did they get there then? Ben, if I were you, I'd go up here, but be careful because it's slippery. If I were you, I'd just walk on this top bit. This is not electric, by the way.
I know it's not electric.
Careful, walk sideways, you get more grip on your feet.
What are we even doing there?
Careful. It levels out a bit here. Think to yourself, how the heck do we get down? Look, when an HSD comes past, look, got a good view now.
Is there a HSD due past?
No, there will be. Be able to get it coming past them. Oh, for pity's sake, mate. Geese. Oh, that was a bit dark. Those pants. It was rubbish, wasn't it? Oh, my camera's just turned off because my batteries are dead. What do you want to do? Get to the station, go back to the station and get it filming it leaving?
What station?
Get this leaving.
To meet in a minute.
Or do you want to go into town?
Where's town? What time is it now?
You know what time it goes?
No, because the bubble car leaves back fast at 5:15, doesn't it?
What a tornado will be able to go on this line?
Quit there because I went.
What was that?
This isn't going to work, really, is it?
You just farted just then.
No, it's the noodles of that.
Yeah.
That wasn't
Did
me.
you?
No. It wasn't me. I've had enough of this, you know, my battery died. That's why I'm going to go to Morrison and I'm going to get a new one. Better.
Come on then guys, let's go into town. Ready?
Actually, to be honest, I don't need that one because I've got it already. Just realised it.
We're going to town.
Do you want to get my... Put a hold. Ready? Don't drop. Ben, don't... What are you going to do?
Record it! Quick.
Hang on, what's it?
Oh, give me a hand. I think we're going to go.
I didn't realise you haven't zoomed it into it. Oh, you bloody... You recorded it!
Oh, it's on record now.
I accidentally had it on record. That was pathetic, wasn't it?
Just a little bit.
Stop the video and then do it
Where?
again. It's on the button. I didn't realise that.
There you go, she's got the front lights on now. There you go. Moving near and down.
Whoa, hang on, hang on. Oh well. Still a bit safe.